Hello guys, how are you? I hope you are having a nice Saturday, and I will try to do a quick analysis. I don't want to be so much time here, so I have DXY, dollar index, and Euro USD, and as you know, they move in asymmetry. So if dollar goes down, euro goes up, right? So I'm currently in a monthly time frame, and after this huge movement, which starts this month, this is May, if I'm not wrong, 2021. All this movement, you see, of all of this displacement to the upside, same here, right? So what I see now, and I would like to see with me, I will do a Fibonacci so we can see the retrace area from this high to this low. Right, as you can see, after this huge displacement, we expect a retracement, and at least below this level, 0.5. This is the equilibrium or midpoint of this range, right? Same here. This is the midpoint or equilibrium. So if price went to the buy side, we can expect a retracement to this area, which is called discount, and where we can search for entries for go long. And okay, same here. After this displacement to the buy side, sorry, to the sell side, we expect a retracement in this area. This is the premium area, and after that, sorry, I didn't do this properly. This is opposite, like this. Yeah, right. So now price is in this area. EURUSD is discount, sorry, in premium, and dollar index is in the discount zone. Sorry, this is the area we call this area the optimal trade entry. Okay, I think already you know these guys, and this is the area for the EURUSD. I will take the midline and change the color maybe so you can see it better, right? Right, so this is the area, optimal trade entry area, and as you can see, we are right here. Price already visited this zone. Same with the EURUSD, right? So this is information we need to know for having like a bias, no? Because the list, we don't want to be shooting in the dark, so we need to have some bias, at least in the macro time frame. So what we can expect now, maybe this is our interest area now, right? I would like to mark this low. This is sell side liquidity. Also is the previous month low. Previous month low. Well, I don't have it, but you can mark it like PML. It's the same. Previous month low, right? and same here, but this will be the previous month high. Right. I will take off this color. Right. I will take off the Fibonacci and I will mark this fair value gap. This is a monthly fair value gap. The month didn't end yet, so we can expect this week how we close the price this month. Next week is the end of the candle. This is a fair value gap, a monthly one. Same here. As you can see, these fair value gaps act as like a support, sorry, resistance here and support here. So I would like to wait, or just to this week how it ends this week, and how this monthly candle close. If it close with body, I would like to think in a bearish sentiment. Same here. But which I like here is this wick. You know, wicks make the damage. So only wick is allowed to go through the fair value gap, but bodies tells us the story. So that's the information we are looking for. So for the moment we have this information. We need to wait how the price closed this month of May. Alright, so let's continue. So remember, just for resume, we already are in a zone of this is a discount zone, so we are looking for a break of a structure to maybe, if it's a good scenario, we can enter like a long, sorry, it will be here a long trade and here a short trade, right? We are trading EURUSD, but we always have the reference of the dollar index to have the reference and to know these levels, right? It's important levels to mark in the charts, right? So yeah, this is a weekly fair value gap. You see how it acted like a resistance. Only the wick went through, but the body respect the area. Yeah, same here. Only the wick went down, make damage, but the bodies respect the area, right? So what I noted here is this is the midpoint of this week, the consequent encroachment of this week. This is a weekly time frame now, and this is considered an important level when you see huge wicks, right? So last week you can see this huge displacement to the downside, and the same but to the upside for the euro. I think all this is taking all this, it's like a stop hunt. You see, it's taking all these stop losses. Same here, right? So what I will do is mark the previous week high and the previous week low, but this is already gone. I will mark this the previous week, but not as previous week because it's not the previous, but like sell side liquidity, this low. See, this was a previous week low, This was 1 week, like 1, 2, 3 weeks ago, no, 4 weeks ago. But this is sell side liquidity level. So I mark it also. So this is my range for the next week. Mostly I see price touching this level. So let's see. And here the same. We have this previous, well, as you see, yes, equal relative. This is called relative equal highs. See, kind of like a support, sorry, resistance. I mark this. Also, I'm interested in this high, this previous week high, previous week, right? Levels to have market in your chart, and this midpoint of this week. This is a long week act like an imbalance, so it's important to mark these levels. Right, so let's go daily. So you can see high, a bit lower high, but kind of seems almost equal highs. This is important level. Okay. Right. Next week we have important high impact news, so we can expect a lot of movement. On Monday I think is holiday, so better don't do nothing, just wait for Thursday. Right. The same here. You see? Range, displacement, retracement, premium, optimal trade entry area, search for a short. That's my bias for now, right? Somehow, let's see this level, how it acts the price, and then we go in a lower time frame and we seek for a market structure shift, and we can start thinking to search for a short entry, right? But time will say. For the moment, this is my analysis. So I think these two relative equal highs will be taken. I would like to see how price react to this minimum, this high. But as you see, we have the range, displacement, retracement. So yeah, my interest is here now in this level, right? So this was a quick analysis. I think I think you have. I hope you have some insight of this, how you can make analysis going from macro to lower time frame, or how you can use the ranges, right? The ranges and the zones. This is premium, discount, right? So guys, I think this is all. I will continue next week. You can join the Discord channel. I have a huge community. It's growing every day. I have also a private group where I try to grow also, and you're welcome. So you can leave the comments, or you can reach to me, and I will be glad to help you somehow. Yeah. So that's my bias for now. Waiting for this dollar index to these levels. Yeah, we have a 4-hour fair value gap here. Let's see how it reacts the price here. Right. Let's see here how it reacts the price, and let's check for a market structure shift. And I think I'm waiting for that. So dollar will go up and EURUSD will go down. Okay, guys, this is all. Have a nice end of the weekend, and maybe see you in the Discord channel or Twitter also. Thank you, and till the next time.